On Saturday, August 16, 2025, at approximately 2:40 p.m., Officer E. Padilla with the Roswell Police Department was dispatched to 1308 North Kentucky Avenue. The call came in as a domestic disturbance, a situation officers know can change from calm to chaotic in an instant. Upon arrival, Padilla began assessing the scene, separating the individuals involved, and gathering initial statements.
All right, Andrew, what's going on today?
That bitch right there, I need to go in there and look in her closet because she has my daughter in there tied up. I can hear her every time. Adelaide!
Your daughter? How old is your daughter?
Does that fucking matter? 9 years old, dude.
9? Okay. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on, Andrew, all right?
Yep.
Is that your mom?
Yep, that's not her. I'm telling you right now.
It's not her?
I'm not gonna fucking say no shit, and y'all motherfuckers know what shapeshifters and demons are because that's what you are, and that's what this little bitch is right here, huh?
Okay, Andrew.
Punk ass bitch,
I'm gonna speak with your mom, alright?
Fucker. Y'all know I have cameras on my head? Check this out. Yeah,
Andrew, put
fuck
your
up.
foot in.
Fuck up, both of y'all. Give me my papers, dude. I need those.
Yeah, I'll get them for you right now.
Fuck up.
Alright.
05. You can tune the air. We have 1015.
Yeah, I'm going to speak with your mom.
I get pairs now. Package on one.
I'm coming.
Hello.
Okay, bye.
Hello, ma'am. You Andrew's mom? Okay. What's going on today? I seen the window and
He
everything.
busted out of every window in the house.
Okay. Is there a reason why he would do it?
Christy, come over here. Just come.
Do you need an ambulance to check you out or anything like that, ma'am?
Just come, Christy. He came back. Yes, I'm just freaked out. I gotta sit down. He broke out every window in this house.
Did he hit you at all, ma'am?
He threw that brick at me.
Okay. When was he inside the house? Did he throw it through the window?
No, he threw it through that window. Hold on, I'm talking to the cops.
Okay.
He threw I was standing in front of that sink.
Okay.
And he threw it.
He threw it all the way over here?
All the way over
Okay.
here.
Did he know you were over there? Or?
Yes, he was yelling at me when he threw it at me.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license with you?
Hold on, Christy.
And then do you have video of anything or anything like that? Like surveillance by chance?
No.
No? Okay.
He squirted the water hose in here.
Okay. And he's your biological son? Okay.
But he just got out of Sunrise.
Okay.
Like, he came over, he got out, he came back, he walked to my daughter's house, and then he walked back over here.
Okay.
And then he just lost everything.
Okay. 29 clear,
Oh,
copy
my
1 by
daughter.
deal number.
Hey. Yeah, I'm just freaked out. I'm just...
You want me right number?
Every window in my house.
Okay. So,
1044 client first. You're going to be valid and clear.
so
Hold on, Christy.
so Andrew showed up and
He came here. He knocked one time on the door and he left.
okay.
And then he walked from here to my daughter's house.
Okay.
And she said that he knocked one time there and he left.
Okay.
And he came back over here. I had called the dispatch.
And
Roswell.
because that close patrol, yeah.
And then he came back here. He knocked on the door and I told him, you gotta go away.
Okay.
You can't leave. I mean, you gotta leave. You can't be here without the police. And he just
Okay.
went ballistic.
So where does he live?
He used to live in Texas, but he's been down here, and he's been here for like a month, maybe month and a half.
He's been staying at this house?
He stayed here, but he cannot stay here no more. And I told
Okay.
him that last time when you guys were out here.
So you didn't let him come inside the house?
No.
Okay.
No. I didn't even open the door for him. I told him through the door. I didn't even open the door.
And he was living in Texas, but he was staying here for the last
He stayed
month?
here, yeah.
Okay. Where's this from? I don't know. Did he kick it, or was that already there?
That might have been there because I have that door, and I don't think he may have kicked it, but I never opened the door, so.
Alrighty.
Oh my God.
And then
Yeah,
how much do you think?
He broke them all.
Okay.
Oh, yep. Broke that one.
So after you told
Over there.
him you can't be here without the police, he left?
No, he didn't leave.
No? Okay. So kind of summarize it. He showed up, he knocked, he left. He went to his sister's, knocked once, left,
And came back
and then
here.
that's when you told him, hey,
Yep.
you can't be here without the police.
Uh-huh.
He got upset, and
he just, everything.
Okay.
My
Which
God.
window did he break first? Do you know?
This one, I
This one?
think.
31 level. I'm not Kentucky.
Okay. And then these.
And then, yeah.
Okay.
And then I was standing right. Sorry, be careful.
No, you're good.
I was standing right here. And he was standing right there. And he chunked that brick all the way through the fucking house. And I had a knife for me.
Okay.
Because there's nowhere I can go
Yeah.
in this house.
Okay. What's Andrew's date of birth? Okay. And then what's Andrew's last name?
Case number for the primary unit?
He didn't break that one, thank God.
What's Andrew's name? Or
Andrew's-
last name?
Sintel.
Case number's gonna be 5585
SENTELL.
Okay. And how much would you value the windows and everything?
I don't know, my landlord's gonna kick me out, so.
Okay. But if you could kind of just give an estimate of how much it would cost.
Right now, how much would you say? I know.
I can't tell you
I
that.
have no idea. He broke this one too.
Okay.
Not just now,
That was
but
another
before.
day? Okay.
Yep. And
then-
he killed my birds.
Okay.
The last time he was, and you guys
Does he
came.
suffer from any mental illnesses, anything like that?
I think he's schizophrenic, but if he's being diagnosed with it, I have no idea.
Okay.
Because we can't talk to the doctors because of the HIPAA laws.
Okay. Alrighty. So kind of summarize it. Andrew came, he knocked.
He knocked one
left,
time.
He left his sisters down
On Lee and
on Lee,
Second.
and then
he
came
came
back.
back.
You told him, hey, you can't be here without the police.
Yep.
He started getting upset.
He just lost his.
And he broke that front window first, and then he started
and then
breaking
he just
the
busted
seating.
out and
And then
was
that's
hollering and yelling. And
then he threw that brick. Okay. through
when
the
I
window.
was on the phone with 911,
Okay.
I'm
Alrighty.
sure they heard it.
Alrighty. So I'm gonna go speak with him and then see what's going on. Okay. But he's kind of he's really irritated right now. So I'll see if he wants to talk to me. If he doesn't, okay. And then I'll come.
911, what's the address of the emergency?
I need the police. Hurry.
What's the address?
He's trying to 1308 North Kentucky. Hurry,
1308
please,
North
hurry.
Kentucky. What is happening?
My son is here. He can't be here. He's gonna hurt me. Oh shit, he broke my window. Please hurry.
Okay,
Please hurry.
give me 1 second. I have units and broke the window now.
Yes.
He's still outside,
Please
correct?
hurry. Please hurry. Please hurry. Oh God. Oh shit. Please
Okay.
hurry.
I have the call put in. My partner is getting them out, okay?
Hurry.
Who is your...
951 Roswell, show us clear for the scene.
Stay on the phone for me, okay?
Hurry.
Stay on the phone with me. Do not hang up, okay?
Oh God.
76 Roswell.
Tell me exactly what's happening.
He's busting out every window in my house.
Okay, there.
Andrew.
My partner already has them en route, okay?
Andrew, no. No. Andrew, go away. Andrew.
Okay, can you get to a place of safety? Can you get into a bathroom, lock the door?
No.
Okay.
He can
Why
get
not?
in here. If he can get to the house, he's got... Please hurry. Oh, God,
Okay,
please
my
hurry.
partner already has them en route, okay? They're already en route, but I need you to
Please
get to a
hurry.
place of safety. Get into a bathroom and lock the door.
I can't. My door won't lock. Please hurry.
Okay, they're already
No,
en route,
he's got
okay?
her.
Does he have any weapons on him?
I don't know. I'm not opening the door.
No, do not open anything, okay? What is your son's name?
Oh, shoot. Please hurry.
Is he still outside the house?
Yes.
Okay. What is his name?
Andrew Centeno. God, please,
Andrew.
where are they?
My partner is already dispatched them, okay?
No, they gotta hurry faster.
They're already en route. They're already en route, okay?
Please.
Tell me Andrew's last name again.
Centell, Sentell.
P-L-L, okay.
Please.
Are you the only one in the house?
Oh.
911, where's your emergency?
I was just on the phone. Please hurry. 1308
Ma'am,
North
they're
Kentucky.
already on the way. They're already on the way, but don't hang up with me. Where is he right now?
He's outside. He's breaking every window in my house.
Okay, ma'am, we know that. They're already on the way.
They need to hurry.
Ma'am, they're going as quickly
this is
and safely as they can. They're already headed that way. Does he have any weapons on him?
He just threw a brick at me.
Just threw a brick at you? Okay.
Yes, through the window.
Okay. What is his name?
Andrew Centell. Andrew, go away.
Andrew Centell?
Yes.
Okay, is
Please,
that him that I hear?
Where are they? Why are they taking so long?
Where are you right now? Are you inside of the bathroom,
I'm
bedroom? Where are you?
I'm in the kitchen.
You're in the kitchen? Okay,
Yes.
Can you get out of sight from him?
No. It's just a little duplex, and he can see my... He's throwing things through my windows. He threw a brick all the way through the fucking house.
Okay. And what is your name, ma'am?
Robin Ferguson. Please
Robin
hurry.
Ferguson. Okay.
Why are they here?
Ma'am, they're already on the way. They're almost there.
I
Just
know,
stay
but
on the
they're
line
not
with me.
here. He's destroying my house.
Yes, ma'am, I understand that. Just stay on the line with me, okay?
Okay, I think they're here.
Stay on the line with me until I tell you, okay?
Okay.
Do not go outside. Do
I'm
not go
not.
outside whatsoever.
I'm not. Oh, my God. Oh, God. Oh, fuck.
Okay, just take a deep breath, ma'am. Take a deep breath. In and out. In and out. Do you need an ambulance? Robin? Robin?
What?
Listen to me, Robin. Just take a deep breath. In. Out. Okay?
Holy.
Okay? They're already there. They're already dealing with him, okay? Do you need an ambulance?
I don't think so.
Okay. Okay, it's going to be okay. They're already out there with him, okay? Okay, they've already got him in custody.
Okay, they're coming.
Okay, they've already got him in custody.
Where are my shoes? I tried to find my shoes so I can talk to him.
It's okay, ma'am. Just be careful where you step, okay? I don't want you stepping on any glass.
I'm coming.
Are they knocking on your door?
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm coming.
I'll go ahead and let you go so you can talk to them, okay?
Okay, bye.
All right, bye.
She called. I'm her son-in-law. I'm with your daughter. She's okay. Where's he at? Did he take off?
If you're going to do that shit, I'll arrest you too.
No, I'm not, man. This is bullshit, man.
Well,
He was just in Sunrise. Sunrise just let him out, man.
I understand that.
He literally came and just demolished the whole house. He literally just tried to replace the window. I literally called it to Sunrise. So Sunrise here is ridiculous, man.
You won't get an argument from us, man. But I don't need him agitated. He's already agitated enough.
Well, he's doing this on purpose, man. At this point. He's intentionally trying to hurt his mom, man.
I don't know him.
He already told his mom he's going to cut her throat, man. So I don't know why Sunrise let him out. He intentionally killed her bird. He took her bird out of the cage, ripped her fucking heart up in the restroom in front of her, blood everywhere. She had to call the cops not even a week ago. He's having problems with psychotic problems. He had an overdose probably 2 years ago. He had a multiple
psychotic
overdose. Well, it's a drug-induced schizophrenia. I've done my research. Drug-induced schizophrenia is what it is. And so, really, man, I need you guys to tell Sunrise this guy really needs a lot of listen.
That's what makes you think I'm listening to us. No offense, but I'm being
look
honest.
what he just did in her house, man. It's
I'm
either
being
him or
honest. They
her.
won't listen to us. We take people there all the time.
He just came to my house and knocked at my house. He comes to my house. He comes to my house. He comes to my house. I have weapons. He's going down now. I will kill him. He fight on my head. I have my property. I will ram him down.
But you have to do what you have to do at this situation. You can't tell me what to do. Well, no offense. You're doing a lot of talking. You're not listening. We take them to Sunrise. Sunrise. You're not going to listen. No, you're not. You're talking over me.
I'm not listening. Like I said, I apologize for how this frustrated the situation.
I totally get that you're frustrated.
What happened to her? Why is she saying she got hit? What happened to her? Why is she saying something happened to her?
The officer's inside talking to her right now. I have not gone inside. I've been out here with him. But I get what you're saying, but we can't tell Sunrise how to handle their cases. We don't have that power. All we can do is incarcerate them. Once the courts let them out, we can't do anything. Well, we'll do what we can today.
I would hate to have to tell my lady's brother or my mother-in-law so. But if he comes to does this in my house with my kids, I have a kid with autism in my house. I have a kid with hearing problems. I have enough times on my house that if this comes happen to my house, I won't let this happen in my house.
Look, I understand your frustration.
So if y'all get a call, y'all will recognize me. Y'all, my name is David Salisbury, and y'all will hear me. I'm telling you right now what will happen to me.
David, we understand. Trust me, we understand your frustration, but we are limited in our power.
I know my rights to my laws. I know my rights to my guns. I know everything I can. And I don't want to have to do that stuff. I want to help you.
If his brain's fried, then I doubt any help is going to help him.
I mean, for him, like, I just can't believe he comes back and just fucking does this.
Yeah, we're good, buddy. Thank you. I mean, we get your frustration. Like, I don't know if I know him. He looks familiar, but I'm not sure. How many times the cops dealt with him?
We're used to him a lot.
Okay. I understand that, but we don't have the power to keep them in Sunrise. That's up to Sunrise.
Yeah. You know what? I'm going to FI it.
Can you FI it? Yeah. I just don't feel like calling them out. Just FI it and just do a search supplement thing. You FI it. That's it. Something there. If he acts up, you got you. If you hear me screaming, all right. Okay, yeah. David, we're not. I'm not against you, man.
It's just I got my kid in the car. My kid has autism. He doesn't do good with that.
I understand. You do what you got to do, bro.
What's going on today?
That bitch right there, I need to go in there and look in her closet because she has my daughter in there tied up. I can hear her every time. Madeline!
Your daughter? How old is your daughter?
Does that fucking matter? 9 years old, dude.
9? Okay. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on, Andrew, alright? Is that your mom?
Yeah, that's not her. I'm telling you right now.
Alright.
I'm not gonna fucking say no shit, man. Y'all motherfuckers know what shapeshifters and demons are because that's what you are and that's what you little bitches
Just
are.
close the door.
Okay, Andrew.
Punk ass bitch, what are you looking at,
your mom, right?
motherfucker?
Watch your
I don't
foot.
have cameras on my head. Check this out.
Watch your foot, bud.
Yeah,
Andrew,
fuck up. Fuck up, both of y'all. Give me my papers, dude. I need those.
Yeah, get them.
We'll get him.
Fuck up.
05. You can 10-8 the air. We have him 10-15.
Yeah. I'm going to speak to your mom.
Padilla's in there talking to her mom right now, or his mom right now. So just stand by with him. He's in the back of Padilla's unit right there. So yeah, I'm not going anywhere. Just stand by.
I'm just with her. She called. I'm her son-in-law.
She's okay.
Where's he at? Did he take off?
He's in the back seat of our car. Don't go over there and agitate him, please. It's not. It's if you're gonna do that shit, I'll arrest you too.
No, I'm not, man. But this is bullshit, man.
Well, I understand.
Just let him
I understand that,
she literally
but
came and just demolished her whole house. She literally just got to replace the window. I literally called it the Sunrise. I said, Sunrise here is ridiculous, man.
You won't get an argument from us, man. But I don't need him agitated. He's already agitated enough.
Well, he's doing this on purpose, man. At this point, he's intentionally trying to hurt his mom, man.
I don't know him. I don't know him,
told
but
his mom he was going to cut her throat, man. So I don't know why Sunrise let him out. He intentionally killed her bird. He took her bird out of the cage, ripped her fucking bird up in the restroom in front of her, blood everywhere. She had to call the cops not even a week ago. He's having problems with psychotic problems. He had an overdose probably 2 years ago.
I was going to say, is it psychotic or is it a
well,
drug?
It's a drug-induced schizophrenia.
Yeah.
I've done my research. Drug-induced schizophrenia is what it is. And so, really, man, I need you guys to tell Sunrise this guy really needs a lot of help.
They don't listen. That's what makes you think them listen to us.
He's gonna kill her, man.
No offense, but I'm being
look what he
honest.
just did to her house, man.
I'm being honest. They won't listen to us. We take people there all the time. Have no control.
He comes to my house and does this at my house. I have weapons. I'm telling y'all now, I will shoot him inside of at my property. I will man him down.
But you have to do what you have to do at the situation. So we can't tell you what to do or not to do. Bro, no offense. You're doing a lot of talking. You're not listening. We take them to Sunrise.
But I'm just saying.
We took them to Sunrise last time and they let them go. We can't tell Sunrise to keep them.
Maybe take them to detention.
You're not going to listen, are you?
I am listening.
No, you're not. You're talking over me.
I'm not listening. Like I said, I apologize I'm just frustrated with the situation.
I totally get that you're frustrated.
What happened to her? Why
How many times
she got hit? What happened to her?
I don't know.
Why did she say something happened to her?
The officer's inside talking to her right now. I have not gone inside. I've been out here with him. Okay? But I get what you're saying, but we can't tell Sunrise how to handle their cases. We don't have that power. So all we can do is incarcerate them. Once the courts let him out, we can't do anything.
Take him to jail. He needs to be somewhere other than
well, we'll do what we can today.
Property, I would hate to have to kill my lady's brother or my brother-in-law's son. But if he comes to this and does this in my house, with my kids, I have a kid with autism in my house. I have a disabled kid with hearing problems. I have enough problems on my house to let this come and happen to my house. I won't let this happen to my house.
But I understand your frustration.
So
I do.
If y'all get a call, y'all will recognize me. Y'all, my name is David Salisbury, and y'all will hear it. But I'm telling you right now what will happen to me if this happens.
David, we understand. Trust me, we understand your frustration, but we are limited in our powers.
I know my rights to my laws. I know my rights to my guns. I know everything I can, and I'm just saying I don't want to have to do that to him. I want help for him. I want him to get help. I do not want to have to go that route with him.
Well, if his brain's fried, then I doubt any help is going to help him.
I mean, for him, I just can't believe he comes back and just fucking does this.
Yeah, we're good, buddy. Thank you. Yeah, I mean, we get your frustration. Like, I don't know if I know him. He looks familiar, but I'm not sure. How many times have cops dealt with him?
Recently, a lot.
Okay.
The last, not even month, he's been, like I said, Sunrise just keeps letting him out. No matter if she calls up there and she tells Sunrise what's going on, they have proof and evidence of him fucking tearing a bird apart in her restroom. Her animal, her pet.
I get it.
Took it out of the cage, ripped its head off, fucking feathers everywhere. She has blood and she had to clean it. And he flushed the bird down the toilet. This was just 5 days ago.
And I understand that,
like
but we don't have
we
don't have the power to keep him in Sunrise. That's up to Sunrise, though. Can you FI it?
Yeah.
I just don't feel like calling them out. Just FI it and just do a short supplement saying you FI'd it.
Yeah.
You can go to it tonight. We got him in there, and if he acts up and you got to go some PO, should be able to handle it. If you hear me screaming, come. All right.
Y'all gonna try to move him?
No.
All right. Okay. That's probably not a good idea.
I'm not doing anything with him.
I'm gonna go check on my lady real quick. Is she able to come out of the house, the mom?
I don't know, but the officer went there. You're more than welcome to go up there.
I'm gonna send her daughter up
there. Okay. Yeah. David, we're not. Believe me, I'm not against you, man.
It's just I got my kid in the car.
I understand.
Autism, he doesn't do good with the
I understand. You do what you got to do, bro.
Fucking evil ass fucking people I are. Fucking shut the fuck up, dude. You ain't got me one more fucking time, dude. I fucking promise you, I will whoop your fucking ass. Fuck with me wrong, boy. I fucking tell you. You ain't gonna put me up against your car. Yeah, I told you my fucking finger. Watch out. I don't have fucking AIDS. Okay. What does that say? Yeah, get that shit off your arm, bitch. You don't mean nothing to me. Y'all eat babies? Y'all support Lilith in there? Fucking dumbass fucking people. Fucking pushed on me again, dude. Get in the car. Get in the car.
Under New Mexico statute, paragraph 33, chut 15, domestic battery or assault can be charged as either a misdemeanor or felony depending on injuries, prior offenses, or use of a weapon. Officers responding to domestic calls must determine whether probable cause exists for an arrest under paragraph 31, sac 17, balancing victim safety and Fourth Amendment search standards. In cases like this, body-worn camera footage and written reports form the foundation for prosecutorial review.